Hello everyone, welcome to the road review. I'm Hamza. So this is our E39 project. That's the 530D with 193 horsepower, but we're looking to change that. We've got a Racechip from Germany. So yeah, let's get cracking with this. So we will be bringing the power up from around 193 horsepower and 410 newton meters of torque to around, I say, 240 horsepower and around the mid 500 newton meters of torque. So it is noticeable. Obviously there is an automatic transmission in here, so we don't know how long that's going to last with the extra power, but let's get started. So I also just wanted to ask as well, has anyone else ever done this before? Have you ever bought a chip and remapped your car yourself or anything like that? Or do you pay someone else to do it? Let us know in the comments. So right now we've got a T30 bit that needs to go into the engine covers. Obviously I've got the premium Wilco screwdriver set. But yeah, we just need to take off the engine covers. We've got a sensor plug underneath here that we need to install the Racechip into, so that it can do its thing. So yeah, I won't bore you too much with the installation. It is pretty straightforward. So right now we're unplugging the, I believe this is the fuel rail sensor. So what this is going to do is, so this is going to piggyback into the actual connector here, kind of like this. Yeah, something like this. And this is going to go into the Racechip, and then this is going to go into the engine, basically, into the fuel rail.
A few moments later.
There is a instruction set, but they're not specific.
Day 2.
It's been an entire day later of us trying to figure out how to get this in. So I want to go out on a limb here and say Racechip's documentation on how to put the Racechip into the common rail sensor it's completely different to how it actually is. So the common rail sensor's at the back, the plug's right at the back of the engine, and they've told us to put it at the front of the engine. So you can kind of see where this is going. I mean, it's taken some digging, and no amount of forums or Google or any sort of search was able to give us our results. We've actually installed this plug behind here, and if you pan over, the wiring is all zip tied really neatly into the engine bay. So yeah, so if I give it some ignition, so it should actually just turn on now. And yeah, so it's in mode 7. Thank you guys for watching. I've been your host Hamza. This is the road review. So let us know in the comments what you think about remap boxes, chip tuning, stuff like that. Is it worth it? £249 for this amount of power. Let us know in the comments. Alright, cheers guys.